Hey guys, welcome back for another episode. Today we're working on getting more of the sheet metal put up, so I will take you along and show you. Right now Andrew is moving the bus. We like to move our bus every couple weeks just to make sure it's still running well and that the work that we're doing is not flimsy. If we were to back this out and it was shifting around a lot, we would know we need reinforcements and to change what we're doing. So for us, it's important to keep moving the bus, and even if it's just in and out of the driveway. Okay, guys, I'm going to be honest. This day was really difficult. Things just were not going correctly. This is the second piece of sheet metal we got up, and it has taken so long. Filming was kind of the last thing on our mind. We were just trying to beat the rain. Unfortunately, the rain came too fast. We were able to get this piece up before the rain really started coming down on us. Hey guys, so we had to stop working on the bus. The rain has just gotten so bad. It's slippery. We can't hold on to the pieces of metal. I hurt my leg on the bucket of the tractor, and now I just brought the camera in here and I'm starting to edit and realize that the camera went into sleep mode. So the footage that you've seen is all that we have gotten. But let me go through some questions that you guys have been asking. I figured since this week kind of got cut short and we didn't get as much done as we wanted to, it would be a great time to catch you guys up on that kind of stuff. So my hands are still filthy. The number one question that we're getting asked is, this roof raise seems like a lot of work. Why are you doing that? And we are both really tall. I guess not really tall. I'm 5'7", and Andrew's really tall. He's 6'5", so he couldn't stand up inside the bus as it was. And we figured since we're going to be raising it already, we might as well give ourselves space, and we can put in a bunch of storage, and we have some ideas for the kids' bunks that are going to be nice in there. So I just thought it would be really cool to raise it that far. Now, with that being said, it is expensive, and if we didn't have to do it, we wouldn't do it. It's a lot of work. We could already have, if we didn't have to do the roof raise, we could have already had all the floors done. I'm sure we'd be working on some of the like framing and stuff on the inside. We'd be much further along if we didn't have to do the roof raise. And yeah, I mean, if we wanted to do this, we have to have the roof at that height because Andrew can't stand up in there. So that's why we're doing it. It's not just because we want to waste a bunch of money, time, and energy. Sorry, I'm trying to get this to load. Now my camera's not working. It's just been a hectic day, I'll say that. Question number 2 is, how do we know how to do this stuff? We don't. We are learning as we go. And honestly, today was a really great day for us to remind ourselves, like, we have no idea what we're doing. I'm thinking, okay, Andrew has this figured out. And he keeps saying to me, I can't figure everything out. Like, I need your input. I need your help, which is great to hear. But at the same time, it's stressful. So there were a couple times today when like I couldn't hold the metal's heavy and I couldn't hold it the way that it needed to be held. You know, I was like, well, let's try this. We finally got something that worked. By that time, it started raining again. We did get another piece of metal up and there was like a gap in the back. So now we're gonna have to take that all down. So we're learning as we go, and that means making a lot of mistakes. And we have to remind ourselves, like, we're not professionals, we're gonna make mistakes, and that's how it goes. 2 years is what we're giving ourselves, and last week, if you would have asked me, I'd have been like, we're gonna have this thing done in a year. And today was a great reminder that no, that's probably not gonna happen. Yeah, that's just, we don't know what we're doing. We're just learning as we go. Just one more question. The last question that we're being asked is like, how do you afford to be able to build this if you are on a low budget? What I would do, if it were me and we were doing it again, I would do exactly the same. I would buy the bus, and then I would start with project one, whatever that project might be for you. Obviously, we have to remove the seats, all that stuff. Account for anything that you'll need in that time. So are you gonna need a new grinder? Are you gonna need the tools? Like, what do you need for that? Budget for all of that. And then after you're finished with that, then what's the next project we're gonna do? Okay, let's budget for all of that. Save up and then do that project. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Also, it helps you prioritize, okay, what is next? What do we actually need to do? Because there are so many things that we're like, oh, we should do this next. And I'm like, why? Like, we've seen a lot of people do the floor before they raise the roof. I don't think that, especially here in Erie, we live in Erie, it rains a lot. I just don't think that would have been a smart move. Like yesterday, we were trying to work, it would start to drizzle a little bit. I can't imagine having to like pull the tarp back on and off and on and off. Like now our floors are just the way they were. They still have rust on them. If it gets a little bit of rain on it, like we're gonna have to work that out anyways. So I don't see why doing the floors before the roof would have been a great idea in our situation. If you're working inside, if you have your bus inside a garage, then obviously go for it. Do whatever you want then. But we don't have that option. So that's just kind of where we are right now. I feel bad that we don't get a lot of stuff out, but it was a good reminder that, you know, this is going to take a long time and we are learning and we need to be patient with ourselves and give ourselves a little bit of grace. But I hope you guys had a wonderful week. I hope next week we'll have some more to share with you. If not, I'm thinking about doing a couple different things on this channel. It is hard to get all bus stuff every week just because it's not like we do bus stuff all the time. These last couple weeks, yeah, we've been kicking butt, but I don't know. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Put it in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. But that's all. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next week.